Hi friends, welcome to today's video. I'm making a very classic Ghanaian lunch or snack, GARI Foto. Every Ghanaian have GARI. I think it's an African thing. So this is a lunch that will make your stomach happy and your pocket very happy. It's things that you have already in your hand. GARI Foto, you can make it as high or posh as you want, and you can make it as simple as you want with whatever ingredients you have on hand. So here I have some gari. Mix a little water with the stew that I have already, and then I have sausage, boiled sausage, cucumbers, avocado, carrot, tomatoes, red pepper, onions. You can add as much veggies as you want, but be sure to add some veggies to have the good for you stuff in there. As always, I thank you guys for supporting me, for watching, for sharing, for subscribing, for following, for commenting. God richly bless you all. I want to say Bans Efe, thank you all. God bless you. Let's keep growing. So thank you. God bless you, and see you in the next video. Just enjoy the video. Thank you. Bye.